Hello and welcome to Getting Started with Eclipse Part 2. Today we are going to set our preferences, and I do apologize that it's taken so long to get this far. If you don't have the tutorial, you can roll out to park.edu/ICS/tutorials, and we are on the Getting Started tutorial. We are on page 4, right here at the top, and it tells us to go to Window and select Preferences. Out of Preferences, we want this first general container. Expand it. Go to Startup Shutdown. Go to Workspaces. Prompt for Workspace on Startup should be checked. Click OK. You should see this Java Perspective tab right here. If you can't see it, go to Window, Open Perspective, Other, and we want Java. Okay. And if you're in the lab, we have a set of instructions that we are going to skip. If you're on your home computer, you should be at the top of page 5. We're going into Windows, Preferences. We are expanding the Java container, so I'm going to collapse that general container. Code style, and we are going to formatter. And as you can see, I already have the CIM department here, but in the active profile, we want to make sure that Java conventions are built in. Select Edit. We're going to the Profile window, clicking on the Indent tab, which is our first one. In Tab Policy drop-down box, which is this right here, we want to make sure, whoop, got a little lost there, spaces only. In the indentation size box, we want 2, and in the tab size box below it, we want 2. We want to make sure that the Align Fields column is unchecked, and all the other boxes are checked, which includes that one, except for the Empty Lines box. We will leave that the way it is. We now head over to Braces, which is the next tab over, and we want to make sure that Next Line is selected for everything. So let's just click Next Line for a little bit, except, whoop, next line, except for the array initializer. Okay. That takes us down to here in the profile name box at the top. Type CIM and click OK. And that would be right here. We're going to click CIM department. I'm going to spell mine a little differently. And we are going to click OK. Head down. We should be back in our preferences, and we are going to expand the compiler option. And I'll go ahead and collapse code style. And we're going to the errors warning section. Expand potential programming problems, which is right here. And there you see code style programming problems. So we'll expand that. And serializable class without IUD version. I'm sorry, UID box. That's once again serializable class without serial version UID. We want to make sure it's ignore. We're going to apply the settings. And if a pop-up box appears, don't worry about it. Alright, we want to be in our Java expanded container. Whoop, we're choosing compiler. Oh, but we're not expanding it, we're just clicking on it. We want to make sure our compliance level is set at 1.6. Sorry about this. Heading down, we want to make sure the build path container, which is right here in the build path frame, select the project option right there, click OK. And that's going to do it for setting preferences. Oh, no, I'm sorry, we have one more. We're going to cover page 7 too. Okay, select File, Export, and select the expand the general container. Select the Preferences option. Click Next. Export Preferences window will appear, and make sure that the Export All box is checked, which is right here. And fill in your profile name here. So we can save this profile to whatever file extension we'd like. And I am going to forego doing that because I already have it saved. Okay. Now we are finished. This next part is going to create a folder, and I will do that separately because it is a very important video. So be sure to catch part 3, which will be creating your workspace and programming your very first Java within the Eclipse environment. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.